I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my box from Sugar Muses, or Midnight Muses, sorry. It's kind of big for a Midnight Muses box, I was confused. The theme is Luna, that's right, the other one. So usually they kind of are counterparts to each other, one shadow, one light. And so this is the Midnight Muses Luna box. Got an art, very cool. I've got the Queen of Wands. Very cool. The birds are wilding out. Okay. I got the moon card. Tarot pouch. Very, very, very cool. I love it. I was just thinking, like, where I'm storing my oracle decks is getting pretty tight, so some of them have to come out of their boxes. And so there we go. That's a beautiful sign. Oh, we got a beautiful candle here. I can tell it's heavy. It smells good. Just a nice, simple one. And that's kind of better in some ways because sometimes with the ones with the stuff on them, I get lazy and I don't take the stuff off, and then it doesn't burn as well. I've got a chick trying to climb out of the thing. Curiosity killed the chick, my friend. You need that heat lamp. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I want to say kyanite, but I'll double check. Ooh, and incense sticks. It smells so good. I have been smelling this dang box since I got it, and I'm just like, oh, I want to open it. But I'm trying to make a commitment to myself to nourish my body, to nourish myself. And that means that instead of staying up late to pack orders and do unboxings, I came home from work, ate dinner with my family, took care of my garden, did all the chores, and then I was like, okay, I need to get at least 7 hours of sleep. And so that's what I did. Oolong tea in a tea bag. And so here I am in the morning doing it. Luna ritual oil. It smells almost like white tea. And then of course my 3 little vials. What are they this month? Mugwort, marigold, and casting salts. Beautiful box, love it. This month's focus on the moon's divine energy, a great source of power and strength. The energies of the moon affect the activities of the subconscious, the intuition, dream work, and emotion. Moon magic harnesses the power of ultimate feminine energy as the goddess is honored. You utilize each lunar phase within your workings and rituals to invoke specific energy. With the moon, you can add astrological considerations if you wish, since the moon is always in a specific house of the zodiac. So here's the insert. So the casting salt, the sage incense stick, the Luna ritual oil. Let me see what it has in it. Is crafted under the full moon with notes of fresh night blooming garden and contains a green tea infusion and an almond oil base. That's what I knew I smelled tea. Tourmaline. Powerful protective stone. Psychic protection. EMF protection. Removes bad vibes. Spiritually grounding stone. Encourages a positive mindset and brings good luck. The Moon Velvet Tarot Bag. I absolutely love this. Mugwort in a glass vial. Used for dream pillows, for prophetic dreams. Burn with wormwood for scrying. Moon water infused with mugwort leaves can be used to wash crystal balls and magic mirror. Place it around tools like divination decks, tarot decks to aid in divination. Do not consume. Marigold. Prophetic dreams, protection, psychic powers, rebirth. Marigold is the plant of choice whenever putting together any spells or incense blends for psychic powers. Put marigolds under your bed to ensure good sleep, free of nightmares, and to invite in prophetic dreams. Sprinkle around your house and over doorways for protection and to fill your home with positive energy. Alchemy spell candle, bergamot, jasmine, and dark woods. Honor the full moon during meditation or ritual work. Oolong tea, intuitively drawn tarot oracle card from the Black and Gold Tarot. And the Luna art print. Love it! Well, obviously the boxes that I've gotten this long are obviously ones that I really, really like. And this is definitely one that I like. I love all of these items. They're super useful. And so I highly recommend it to you. As always, the link for this is going to be in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.